Welcome back to the KOM Morning News, and I tell you what, here's the best part about having people back in the studio is we get to visit with our good friend Cheri Nelsen. Cheri, it's been so long since we've had you in the K-State Extension Office, Youth Development, and Cheri, we're here because we're counting down as the kids get ready for Christmas vacation, and they're looking forward to it. Parents and grandparents were like, oh, they're going to go stir crazy. And so that's why I come to you, because we always look for kind of unique things that we can do with our kids, yet do so without breaking the bank, because we've got the gift giving that's coming up.
Right.
What you've brought in this marvelous, Elmer's glue, bird seed, and puzzle pieces.
Right.
And that's all we need.
Yeah.
All right, so what are we going to put together today?
Okay, well, first of all, I did a little bird feeder that the kids could do at home. Just take like a styrofoam little bowl or something. It's just bird seed, some clear gelatin, and a little bit of flour and corn syrup. You mix that together, and then you make your own little bird feeder bells. Later, hopefully January, February, the birds will like to have these to eat.
We can just hang those outside the window if you have a couple of kids.
Absolutely.
Everybody can make their own.
Absolutely.
How long does it take to dry?
It typically, I would, as soon as you put it in the bowl, put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And
that's it?
That's it. Yeah, it doesn't take it very long.
So the kids don't have to wait. They're not going to be waiting several days for it to dry out.
Maybe you've put a little Christmas tree outside for the birds, and you can hang these in your Christmas tree outside.
Well, if we're going to do that, how about we talk about some ornaments that we can make as well?
I brought some pieces today. This is real easy. If you have some puzzles at home
Coming off a pandemic, we all got puzzles.
Maybe you have missing pieces. I mean, we all have those puzzles that we put it together, and there's one or two pieces missing. But you can take those puzzle pieces and you can paint them white.
Okay.
This puzzle just happened to be a blank puzzle that you can draw on yourself, so it was already white. But you're just going to take 7 pieces of that puzzle, and you're just going to take some Elmer's glue.
So really, the glue's going to run me 99 cents. Chances are the kids already have some.
Right, and just put it on the end.
And like I said, Lord knows we've got enough puzzles sitting around the house,
Exactly.
That's for sure.
And then you're just going to arrange it, and you're going to make a little snowflake, basically.
Oh, I get you.
And so you're just going to arrange these puzzle pieces in the different spots, wherever you'd like to put them. And the kids will.
Here's the great thing about this: no matter what age your kids are, you can't go wrong putting together every snowflake's unique, right?
Exactly. Every snowflake is going to be unique and different. And then you'll just attach, after that dries, you'll just attach a string or a piece of ribbon or something like that on the back, and you can hang it from a doorknob or from the Christmas tree or whatever.
And by painting these white, I could actually have the kids. The kids could make a little snow, whatever they want.
Exactly. They could make whatever color they want or anything else. So, and some other fun things to do with kids to make memories. Bake cookies or something in the kitchen. I know some of my fondest memories were baking cookies with my mom and grandma in the kitchen.
Sometimes it's spending time together.
Exactly.
Granted, I know we're all going to get stir crazy here by the time Christmas vacation is over, but it's just spending time.
Exactly.
What else do we have coming up on the horizon as far as youth development goes with the Extension Office?
Well, we've got a few things coming up. We're pretty quiet for the rest of this year, but then come January, we'll have some area judgings for our record books. The older kids get to have their record books judged on the area level to potentially go on to state competition, and we'll have club days coming up. So
excellent. Well, once again, I want to let's revisit this. Cheri showing us a bird feeder that it probably takes 45 minutes to make and just a couple hours to cool, and the kids have some instant gratification that they can hang up. And with the weather being what it is right now, probably got some birds that are still looking for food.
Yeah.
And then once again, a wonderful idea. I don't want to pick this up, folks, because it's drying. But this wonderful idea for the snowflake ornament, and all you have to do is take white puzzle pieces. And remember, tell your kids, explain to your kids that every snowflake is unique, and that way there's no wrong way.
No, there's no wrong way to do it. And, you know, just like snowflakes, every kid is unique and every kid is different. So,
Cheri Nelsen, thank you so much. So great to have you in the studio.
Yes.
So great to see you in person.
Glad to be back.
Not that you don't do a wonderful job over Zoom. It's just nice to be able to present these to people in person. Cheri Nelsen of the Kansas State Extension on a Wildcat Wednesday, 4-H Youth Development.
Yes.
We'll be back with more KOM Morning News right after this.